replay a disappearing photo or video on Instagram. 2026 guide. Did someone send you a disappearing photo or video on Instagram and you want to view it again? In this video, I'll show you exactly how replay works and what you can actually do. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and go to your direct messages. Step 1. Open the chat. Tap on the conversation where the disappearing photo or video was sent. You'll see the media marked as View Once, Allow Replay, Keep in Chat. Step 2. Check if replay is allowed. If the sender selected Allow Replay, you can open it one more time after the first view. Simply tap the photo or video again before leaving the chat. Step 3. Replay before exiting. Important, once you leave the chat, the replay option usually disappears. So if replay is available, do it immediately. Step 4. If it says View Once, if the sender chose View Once, you cannot replay it. Instagram removes access after the first view. This is a privacy feature and cannot be bypassed officially. Step 5. Ask the sender. The easiest solution is to ask the sender to resend it or send it as normal media instead of disappearing mode. Warning: avoid third-party apps claiming to recover disappearing photos. Most are fake, unsafe, or can risk your account security. Pro tip: if something is important, ask the sender beforehand to use Allow Replay instead of View Once. And that's it. Now you know how to replay disappearing photos or videos on Instagram in 2026. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.